Introducing the Bodor A3 fibre laser cutter, our new cost-effective alternative to plasma cutting. This new addition to our Bodor range features an innovative travelling safety cover that moves with the gantry and cutting head. Delivering up to 1.5 G acceleration, it provides remarkable speed, accuracy and consistency. This CE-compliant Class 1 laser system can be easily loaded from either side or end and from above. And it's powerful, yet exceptionally easy to operate. A breakthrough solution designed to bring high-precision laser cutting within reach of more workshops than ever before. HPC Laser, the best way to buy Bodor